first video, and I'm really excited to film it. So I'm really excited. This is my first video, and because it's my first video, I don't have any subscribers. So make sure you hit the subscribe button, like button, and post notification bell so you get notified every single time I post a new video. Now, into my first video, I first want to give you a little bit of an introduction. So on my new channel, I'm probably going to do makeup, hair, and other stuff too. So in today's video, I'm going to do a makeup, but I can do other stuff as well. So I can do makeup, hair, and maybe other stuff too, and I'm really excited. So let's go on. And I wanted to start this YouTube channel because I've seen a lot of YouTubers, and it just seems really fun. So I want to do this. I'm going to try post every Sunday and Wednesday if I can, maybe more, maybe less, I'm not sure. So anyway, let's get started with my first video. So I did a little bit of an introduction to my channel, and yeah, now we're going to get on with the makeup tutorial. So for this makeup tutorial, I'm not going to be using foundation. I'm going to be using cream. So sorry, the ring light, very bright. Okay. So here is the cream I'm going to be using. It's Nivea. I really recommend it because it's really moisturizing. And I'm just going to be using like a fingerful. Just putting it on my chin, my cheek, and forehead, and the rest from hands. I'm just going to be mixing it in very well everywhere because I really recommend this though. Because this is my introduction, I'm going to try to give as much facts about this YouTube channel and me as possible during I do makeup. So now that I put on the cream, which I'm just going to show you one more time in case you want to get it. It's Nivea, and it's very, very good. I'd recommend it. So for the eyeshadow, I'm going to go straight into the eyeshadow. So for the eyeshadow, I'm using this Ultimate Radiance 16. And I really like this palette. It's really pretty. Because we're going for a natural look. Oh, wait, I forgot to tell you. Okay, so in today's makeup tutorial, we are going for a natural look. But a natural look that you can still see. You can still see the makeup, but natural. So since we're going for a natural look, I'm going to take some, I think the gold, because I think I'm going to do some gold on this eye all the way up into the eyebrow, and then, so I'm going to do some gold all the way up into the eyebrow of my face on both eyes, and then blend some white in to the eyes. So I'm going to show you how to do it on one eye, and then I'm going to put it on time lapse for the other eye, and for the, yeah, okay. So, and it does take quite a while, so you're going to take the gold and put it on the eyebrow. So I know this looks very bright, but we're going to be fixing all that at the end because this is a natural look. So we're going to take our palette. That's a lot of dust. Okay. And just put it on your eye all the way up into your eyebrow, which we'll be fixing after. So put it very like that. And that's good. And then you can kind of just shape the eye because it's a bit, yeah. Okay, so that's one eye. Okay, so now I'm going to put it on time lapse for the next eye. So let's do it. Okay guys, so I did the eyes, I did some touch-ups in this eye on time lapse, so it may have been really quick. So I told you how to do it, and then I put it on time lapse. So now I'm going to take some white, and blend it in. So I'm going to put it on the corner of the eye, so you're going to take a little bit of white, and put it on each corner of the eye. Okay, so then now it looks very, very white, so you're going to blend it in. So the white does look a bit much, but you're going to blend it in. You have to blend it in, so you might want to do this stroke. You could go that, carefully, just like do that. And the same thing over here. And now you have the white all blended in, so here's how the eyes look. I think they look really good, and they're natural, but you can still see them. So now, you can barely, yes, you can see them, but I wanted to go over with something else, just something little, just to give the eyes a bit more of a, big shine, so I'm going to do that. Sorry about something that just dinged, it's on another device. Okay, so this is glitter, I know, yes, I love this so much because it's like this creamy glitter. It's creamy glitter, and I love it, but I'm going to choose, I know this might come out very, I'm going to choose the lightest glitter and, put it on very little. So I'm going to choose this glitter because it is very light, and I'm going to put a little bit just to give it a little bit of some glittery shine and just make it, you know, so that's it. That's all I did. Just a bit of glitter. That's it. Nothing much. Oh, look at that. One of the things I don't like about this is that it always gets on your eyelash. And you can just blend it in your eyes. See? That is natural. Just gives a tiny bit of glitter. Something you need. So that's it for the eye look. I know, this might not be too natural, but I really, really love it. Okay, I'm going to show you guys. It's this. Okay, it's a glittery mascara. It's from Claire's. It's glittery. I really like this. It's not proper mascara, but I don't want to use proper mascara today. I'm going to go glitter. And the glitter barely comes out, so it's really good for a natural look because it barely even comes out. So it's good if you just want a little bit of glitter on your eyelashes. And it also makes your eyelashes longer. Yeah, so that's really good. Okay. Ooh, got a bit of... Yeah, I know I'm not using professional makeup. Like, this was professional, but this and this... Oh, yeah, this is what it came in. Yeah, I know it's not professional makeup. I am going to be using more professional makeup. So if you prefer using professional makeup, then you can get, like, professional makeup that is also glittery. I really recommend, like, the creamy glitter. Although hair does get stuck to your eye because it's, like, creamy. But I'm using this one. I think it's kind of professional. And then I use the silver mascara. I think it's fine. So, yeah, so that's the eyes. I'm not going to do any eyeliner because I don't want to do that today. Okay, so this is the natural eye. You can see them a little bit. It's very natural and it's perfect. So then I'm going to be using this. This is professional. This sleek blush. It's very good, this sleek. It's sleek blush. Oh, and also I'm not going to be using everything you would use in a normal makeup routine because I only do makeup for play. I don't really wear it out. So I'm not going to do everything that you would usually do, just like some eyeshadow, mascara, blush, lipstick, stuff like that. So I'm going to be using this sleek blush, which is very pink. So I'm really going to put a little bit on it. And it also has a bit of glitter, as you can see on the assist. Okay, it's got a little mirror there. So, okay, so I'm going to use this brush, guys. Okay. As you can see, that's a lot, but I'm only going to touch this. And then I'm going to change brushes so that, like, the rest on that brush doesn't come out on my face, because then, like, my face would be super, super pink. And yes, it does get really pink, but it does not look like this for the whole time. It gets better. It's not like that for the whole time. Okay, so it does look very, very pink, but it's not like that for the whole time. It will go down. Like, not as pink. That's what I mean to say. Oops, it won't be as pink. Okay, so next I'm going to do a mixture of lipsticks. So for the lipstick, I want to do... Oh, so I have these, which these are really good. Okay, wait, one second. Okay, these are really good. Okay, these are these. Okay, so this is the silver. Thanks so much, because someone gave me these, so thanks so much for giving me these. I don't want to say their name, but thank you so much for giving me these. Okay, so here is the silver one. It's called Ice Pink, the bottom. This one is Magic Glow. Magic Glow, it says, and then Cool Prism is the pink. So these are, like, glittery. So these do not come, like, I know we're going for a natural look. So we've done all natural up until now. I just want to give a bit, like, of some to your eyes, to your lips, sorry. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to do, this is really cool. This is the, look, that's the lipstick. I really like this one, to be honest. I really like it. It's cool. Okay, and then I have red. I'm not going red because we are doing a natural look here today. Maybe, like, when I'm doing a not natural look. But that's, like, natural. It has to be natural. It's even, that's what it's going to say in the thumbnail, I think. Natural makeup look. Okay. Oh, I have this. This is really good. It's like very glossy. Okay, I think I'm going to choose what I'm going to do. Okay. So I'm going to do this. I think, for sure. I think this. But this doesn't stay on for... Oh, okay. I'm going to use this, and then I'm going to go over it with some silver glitter, which is called Ice Pink. I don't know why. This isn't pink. Whatever. Okay. I'm going to make sure my lips are dry. And... as you can see, you can barely see this, which is why this is a natural look. Okay. Okay. That is my lips. And I think it's very nice. Okay, but I'm not done. So I'm going to use this. Well, I'm only going to put a little bit because this does come out a lot. So that is my lipstick. And that is my whole makeup look. So that's what I'm going to be. That is my first video. I hope you enjoyed my first video. If you did, give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. And I'll see you in my next video. Bye, guys.